Fiddly and frustrating, reversing a trailer is not a fun way to start a holiday. But don't stress, your Kodiaq's Trailer Assist is here to help. To get started, change into reverse and press the Park Assist button. Using the mirror knob, you can adjust which way you want the trailer to turn. Then, while you work the pedals to control your speed, your Kodiaq will work the steering for you. Remember to keep an eye on what's around you, just in case you need to intervene. You'll get a message when the maneuver's done, and you can get on with setting up your tent. Now, relax. That's another Škoda skill to take away with you. Checking what's around you can be a pain in the neck, but with your Kodiaq's area view, avoiding obstacles is made easy. Simply press the Park Assist button on your center console to select the car icon on your infotainment screen. Tap the area you want to see and the external cameras will show you on your screen, or tap the car icon again to get a 360-degree view around your Kodiaq. Safe. That's another Škoda skill to take away with you. You change outfits to suit different weather conditions and activities, so why not change your Kodiaq's driving style to match with dynamic chassis control? The first step is to press the Mode button on your center console to open up the driving mode selection on your infotainment screen. Choose from the Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sport, or Snow presets, or press Individual and tailor the settings to your own personal needs. Suits you. That's another Škoda skill to take away with you. Are you sitting comfortably? You could be in your Kodiaq's electronic ergonomic seats. Fully adjustable in every direction, you can find your ideal driving position. Lock it in with the Set button and press 1 or 2 to save it for next time. If you need more length for your legs, the seat can be pulled out to support them. And finally, to switch on the ventilation or heating, press the Seat button on the center console and adjust the levels on your infotainment display. Comfy? That's another Škoda skill to take away with you.